So I'd like to welcome Chuck and Lauren to the stage.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready for it? That's the big question.
I'm ready.
You're ready?
Yes. Thank you for being here so early and getting a great seat for the keynote. I'm Chuck Friedman.
And I'm Lauren Schaefer, and we're so excited to have you here today. It's going to be a really fun day.
Yeah, well, just so you know you're in the right place, welcome to MongoDB.local New York City 2025. A little round of applause, or is it too? It's not too early. Yes, thank you. Woo! All right, we're going to give you a preview of the amazing day in store for you, all right? And people will be coming in as we go. You're not going to miss much if you're just sitting down, or if you want to get up and kind of walk around your chair for a little bit, get sort of that excitement out.
Yeah, get your wiggles out.
It's wiggles out. But we are so excited. We're going to share with you some sessions to look for. We're going to give you kind of the lay of the land of what's going on, some people to meet, some things to look out for, some things that you can earn.
Oh, yeah, we're going to hit that.
And it's going to be awesome. So let's go into some of the details.
So there is so much going on today. We're going to give you just a quick preview here on this slide, and then we're going to talk about it for a while. So coming up at the top of the hour, right here on this stage, is the opening keynote. There's going to be lots of great announcements, so stay here. It's going to be great. After that, you've got a choice of what you can do. It's kind of a make-your-own adventure. We've got over 40 breakout sessions happening here today and hands-on labs. So you can dive deep into a topic, try it out for yourself. We also have lightning talks, 20 minutes, get in, learn something new. Those are going to be given by our partners as well as our MongoDB champions. If you want to talk about your use case, you've got deep technical questions you want to dig into, you can head to the Ask the Experts booth. That's going to be at the expo right behind us. Yep. As well at the expo, we've got things like product and partner demos. We've got our developer community booth and our MongoDB University booth. Lots of great things to check out.
And we're going to show you a map of like the whole floor. So all the things that Lauren just listed out, you'll see where they are. You'll find your way around because it's a great space. It's amazing. We can't wait to get into more details. So,
yeah.
All right. One of your best friends today will be our mobile app. So if you have not downloaded that, please get this QR code. We'll leave this up for a bit. This is where you can build your own custom agenda. So some of the sessions that we're going to highlight in some of the workshops, you'll be able to actually schedule. You follow that throughout the day, allow you to navigate through this amazing venue. There's 2 floors of exciting things going on. You're on floor 3, keynote, all of our stages, all of our lightning talks, and then on the 4th floor, we'll talk about our hands-on workshops quite a bit. This is also a great place where you can provide feedback after every session. We're going to talk about that. And there's a side quest going on, so throughout the day. Yes, a side quest.
Who doesn't love a side quest?
I know. But this is a way that we've kind of gamified throughout the day, so you can collect things as you provide survey, participate in social media. There's ways to earn additional prizes on top of all the great stuff that you have today.
And I'm a planner. Like, I've already built my schedule. I like to go look at all the sessions. So I've said, I'm going to be here at this time. I'm going to be here at this time. You're going to find out. I'm actually going to be in the workshop room all day, but
I bet you installed the app and you've planned out your day already.
I totally have. Have you built yours yet?
Well, I'm going to be upstairs all day, so my day's kind of planned for me. But yes, it is a great tool. We highly recommend it. And definitely get that mobile app.
Is
this your favorite part?
This is my favorite part, y'all. Let's talk about hands-on workshops. These are 90-minute sessions. Bring your laptop. You're going to get to dive deep into a particular topic. So we'll talk about it. We'll give you some skills, educate you on the topic, and then we give you time to try it out. Because I like to try by learning. It's hard for me to remember everything.
Right.
I want to try it out, test it out, tinker a little bit, and this is where you get a chance to do that. So we've got a lot of great sessions. At 10:45, we've got a session specifically on data modeling, which is really the foundation.
Yep.
That's where you want to start. You want to know how to put your data into MongoDB to optimize it for your use case, how you're going to get the best performance out of MongoDB. So you want to start there. Then at 1:30, you've got a tough decision. You've got 2 workshops to choose from. You've got agents. Did you know 2025, it's the year of the agent?
Now, based on what? Who determined that?
The internet?
Did an agent tell us that this is the year of the agents?
It's possible. I might just be listening to the agents and believing them.
Yep.
But here we are.
Year of the agent.
I'm the agent now. Okay, we'll see. So anyway, so you can dig into AI agents. You'll actually get a chance to learn about agents and build your very own working agent. And then the other option is to learn about the MongoDB query API. So we're going to walk through the CRUD operations. You'll actually get to try them. I said CRUD. What is CRUD? I'm testing you. I'm putting him on the spot.
Well, hold on a sec. I already had a thought, and then we'll get back to CRUD.
Okay.
Okay. So actually, let's have the audience participate in that part. So someone tee up a CRUD. We'll give you a prize in a second. What I wanted to say about the workshops, though, this is amazing because you're going to have advocates from our teams teaching you some key fundamentals throughout the day, and you're actually going to get hands-on. And what I love about the way we've designed these is there's some teaching, but there's a lot of hands-on. So you'll actually go through code and you'll build things. So talking about that AI agents workshop for a second, you're going to hear a little bit more about that next hour. You're actually going to build an agentic workflow with MongoDB, some of our partner technology, and you're going to actually come out having deployed an agent with MongoDB as the memory of that.
And you mentioned partner technology. We've actually got LangChain here co-hosting that workshop with us, which is going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, so basically each of these will get you hands-on with the respective technologies, and then at the end, we'll get to the badge thing in a second. But who wants to participate and tell everybody what CRUD is?
Somebody know?
Yes.
Create, read, update, and delete. You are
Awesome.
correct. I don't have any. I'm not equipped with prizes.
We'll hook you up afterwards.
The workshop room,
Well
I
done.
have prizes.
All right.
Yes.
So going on to the next one. All right, so we talked about the workshops. One of the things we've added this year, and we just started this back in April, so it's really been amazing to introduce to our developers and our communities this year, is the ability to earn a badge. Here at New York, we are debuting some really special stickers. You can earn pins, which...
Look at these
Oh,
stickers.
you have the sticker?
I came prepared. I love a
that.
sticker.
Yeah.
So,
these-
each badge actually has a unique sticker. So you can collect them. You can put them on your laptop. You can put them on your wall, I guess. I don't know where else you can put stickers, but they're a lot of fun because they're unique to each individual badge, and they're kind of shiny. They're cute.
And the pin.
Check out my pin.
The pin is amazing. You look like a sheriff.
I am. I'm the skills sheriff, and it says, I think it says, I've got MongoDB skills.
I've got MongoDB skills. So why are the badges so important? So after each of the hands-on workshops, there'll be a 10-question assessment. During the workshop, your instructor will sort of wink and say, remember this piece. Pay close attention to this part, and you'll take that assessment at the end. It's super simple. We have a bunch of teacher assistants in the room to help you get through this. Thousands have done this around the world so far this year, and it's a really great opportunity for you to earn some recognition for spending 90 minutes in a workshop learning these skills. And we've talked to some developers throughout the year, and what have they said to us about the joy of earning a badge?
I think it really shows that you didn't just go and hang out. I mean, you weren't just like sitting there scrolling TikTok, which I may spend too much time doing. Like, I actually went and I learned something. And they're not just, the badges aren't just cute stickers and pins. They're actually digital credentials issued by Credly. So you can share them on LinkedIn. So you can go and you can show your boss, hey, look at what I learned while I was there. I wasn't just goofing off all day, you know, like
It's great validation that you participate in the workshop, that you learn skills. And again, like Lauren said, one of our favorite things we hear is that developers, architects, they tell us, this is great for me personally. I shared my badge on LinkedIn. It's great for my resume, but it's also great for me to bring back to my team.
Yes.
So a lot of you here are representing larger teams, right? You're lucky to be here, and we want you to make the most of the day. But earning a badge also allows you to bring some momentum back to your team and say, now I know this really well. I know foundation of MongoDB. I know how to build agentic. I know more about search. And gives you a little boost to share that. So definitely lean into the badge program. We'll have the 5 workshops, which are likely going to fill up, but there is a kiosk right outside, which has another opportunity to earn skill badges as well.
That's right. There is a skill booth upstairs on the 4th floor, right next to the workshop room, where we're doing sort of flash badging. So you can go, if it's a topic you already know about, you can go get a quick refresher and then validate that you know that topic, take the skill check. You can be in and out in like 10 to 15 minutes. And there's so many topics for these skill badges. I mean, we saw on the last slide, we've got things like data modeling, AI, so there's like vector
Are you going to name them all?
Yes, let's test. Can I name them all? There's architecture. What else we got?
We have RAG, we have vector
yes.
search.
I said that
a lot
already,
of AI
so
stuff. Well,
you're
I'm
cheating
double
a
downing
little.
on it because
Okay.
it's a really important one.
Okay. But yeah, there's tons of topics, so check it out. There's also, you can earn them async online. We've got virtual workshops, MongoDB University, so you can always get those digital credentials, but I'm going to keep talking about it because I think they're just so cute.
Yeah.
This is where you can get the stickers. When you get your first badge, you can also get the pin that's super cute. So lots of fun opportunities to validate and show off what you know.
All right. So that's a lot of stuff that's happening upstairs. Let's talk about some of the amazing sessions that are going on right here on the 3rd floor, okay? So what we've done is we've dollar grouped.
I see what you did there.
It's some like a prefix, right? So you're here for certain things, and again, some of the feedback we've gotten over the past few years is, help me navigate this, maybe recommend or suggest a path of sessions that you can take to get the most out of your day. How many people are here for AI?
A lot of people.
So you're in luck because we have some incredible sessions to choose from. If you take a look at this slide, and you're welcome to take a picture of it, or highlight in your mind some of these sessions that you're looking for, most of which are going to be right here on the 3rd floor, some on this very stage. Amazing presenters from our teams, from our partners, from our community, going through everything from basics of AI to how we integrate with partner technology, and again, some of the workshops as well. This is a great selection of AI-related topics, probably the most we've ever had. It's a really big piece here. So if you're here to dabble or continue your journey in building with AI and MongoDB, take a look at this amazing selection of sessions and closely follow this path. You're guaranteed to get a lot out of today.
Yeah, so you mentioned take a picture and also open the mobile app and add them so that you'll remember exactly where they're located and where to be when, because it's kind of, I don't know. I have trouble remembering. I get so excited when I'm here and I'm like, I can't remember where to be, so I'm a planner, you know.
You're
Pull
a
out
planner.
the mobile app.
So there's the AI stuff. How many people for DevOps? Excellent. So we have procured a little bit of a selection. Our chefs have served up some dishes here, the prefix thing. So again, other sessions that you can do, even if you're kind of orbiting the space and you want to see more about infrastructure, about sessions covering valuable use cases, if you're working with enterprise server, there's a lot of great content here from amazing experts that we have here to present to you and to walk you through your respective journey building with DevOps and MongoDB. Some great sessions here again, so feel free to take a picture there. I would look at some of these sessions in the afternoon are going to be just incredible for this, and I think it's going to really turn you into a power user when it comes to MongoDB. And then the last prefix that we have, and this isn't to say we don't have so many other topics, but we really wanted to highlight these 3 particular experiences and paths for you, is architects. How many people are architects here? Excellent.
Nice.
Great to see you. You're so welcome here. We're very happy to have you here represented, and also to serve up, again, some amazing content for you. So grab a picture of this. This is just a sampling. If you follow this path or pick from these, you'd be headed in the right direction.
Awesome.
Yeah. Do you see a session here that jumps out at you?
Well, methodology and foundations of data modeling for MongoDB. I think that's Daniel Kupal's session.
He's pretty big.
Y'all, the data modeling expert
Wrote the book.
Here today. Literally wrote the book on data modeling, is here today. It's going to be a great session.
And this is one of the sessions, too, where if you're staying down here, you're going to be involved in all these amazing sessions. Danielle's one that will give you a lot of information towards getting a badge as well. So there's a lot of connective tissue between a lot of the sessions here and everything going on. Really what we want to do is equip you with the knowledge, the experience, the excitement, the skills to really make the most of the platform and certainly make the most of our event today.
Yeah. Okay, and we love feedback. We love of course, obviously, we love the good feedback, but we also want the critical feedback. We want to know what you liked, what you didn't like, how we can improve for the future. We go through all this feedback. We use it to improve our future sessions. So this year, the feedback is going to be actually in the mobile app. So at the end of a session, you're going to get a pop-up notification saying, please fill out the survey. It's like 2 or 3 questions. It's going to take you about 1 minute to fill it out. So please do take the time at the end of the session, fill out the quick survey, and head on to your next event.
Excellent. Yeah, we do love the feedback. It's really grateful. Again, your feedback helped shape this presentation, helped shape this kind of warm-up for you, because a lot of folks said, can we get a little bit more guidance? How do we navigate all the great sessions, all the great content that's here? So thank you so much for the feedback if you've been here before, and certainly we're looking forward to that to help make this event even greater.
All right, I'm going to take us on a quick tangent. I just remembered, I saw on the slide, we've got the Wi-Fi information there. If you ever don't have the slide in front of you, it's also located on the back of your badge. So the Wi-Fi information's there on your badge. Get online, enjoy the day.
Good call. And certainly at some sessions, especially the workshops, you'll want to be connected because a lot of those exercises, of course, are online.
And of course, you're going to want to share about your experience here on LinkedIn, so you got to stay connected.
Yep.
Yeah.
Maybe that has something to do with the side quest.
Side quest. Okay.
All right. So we're going to go through a little bit of the lay of the land here and basically show you where to find everything, all the great things that we've been detailing for you, how to navigate this. So after the keynote, which is coming up at the top of the hour, and you're just stay where you are for that because you have the best seats in the house for it. This whole area behind us is going to open up. There's an incredible setup. There'll be sessions on this stage behind us. And let's just go through a little bit of what you'll find. You've already gone through registration. Help desk is over there if you need anything answered or you need to bring up anything, go to that help desk. I really want to call out something really exciting here. So in the expo hall, right? Go say hi to our friends at university. They're the ones that are responsible for this amazing badge program we've been talking about. Go say hi to our friends on the community team. I think I saw Veronica somewhere back there. And what's exciting...
There's Veronica.
Hi, Veronica. So what's so exciting about what we're doing this year is we've invited a lot of our friends from local developer communities. So throughout the day, you can meet them. If you're here local to New York, you can get involved with those. But they also represent, like PyData is a global org that is our friends of MongoDB, and meet their leader, see how you can get involved. See about getting some MongoDB topics into that user group and also more Python content into our user groups. And we'll talk about our mug program in a minute. But go say hi to them. There's Ask the Experts, which Lauren, you mentioned at the beginning. That's a great way if you have some technical questions or anything you want to know more or deeper about MongoDB, go sign up for an Ask the Experts session. And then also wave to our friends Jesse, Pedro, and a lot of stars and partners that are going to be featured on our live stream, which kicks off right after the keynote, so you can go wave and maybe get on camera in the background.
Do you think people are going to be holding signs like it's the Today Show?
Like the Today Show.
I'm here.
Sure.
I'm here.
Yeah, or hold up your badges.
Yes.
That's your sign.
That's your sign. Hold your badges.
Your sign of achievement.
See if you can get them to shout you out.
So we have demos and sponsor booths throughout. Go meet some of our amazing partners that are here supporting this event, but also here, see how their technology fits with ours, how we complement each other and enhance your workflow and your building experience. Lightning Zone stages are also behind us. Those are sort of quicker sessions that Lauren highlighted, but there's so much to be learned there. And I think...
The Idea Lounge, we'll talk about that in just a minute.
All right, we'll get to that in a moment. And of course, we talked about the workshop room. So now we're upstairs on the 4th floor. If you go back out there where you picked out your badge, there's an escalator, a grand staircase that brings you right up to the 4th floor where there's a lot more stuff going on as well. And of course, if you have a meeting scheduled or you have a design review scheduled, you'll be going upstairs for that as well.
Awesome. Okay, the IDEA Lounge, let's talk about it. So IDEA, it's an acronym that stands for Inclusion, Development, Empowerment, and Allyship. And this is where folks from our MongoDB employee resource groups are going to be hanging out all day. There are dedicated sessions. There's going to be speed mentoring. It's a great place to get early career development skills. You know, I was up there earlier because the IDEA Lounge is right next to the workshop room. Did I mention we have workshops today up on the 4th floor?
Yeah, you talked about that a little bit. Do you want to go back to that slide?
Actually, if we could, I'd love to. But yeah, so the IDEA Lounge, it's right next to the workshop room, and it's this really nice space. There's comfortable couches. You can go, hang out, chat with some folks, and relax. The IDEA Lounge sessions are going to be in that mobile app. You know, I keep saying the mobile app.
Love that mobile app.
I love the mobile app. So it's there. If you want to check out and see what sessions are happening, you can find that in the mobile app. But yeah, come to a workshop, come hang out at the IDEA Lounge. All the fun things are happening on the 4th floor.
Awesome. Yeah, this is really exciting, and this has grown a lot too over the past few years. It was a kiosk down here, I think, the last few years. Now it has its own lounge. It's so comfortable. Yeah. It's a great place to chill. Check it out. There's going to be so much going on there, and of course, they're neighbors to the workshops. I also want to welcome everyone that's just coming in. You're not late. The keynote starts at the top of the hour, but we welcome you to come on, sit down, and join our friends here who are hearing some details of our amazing event today. So welcome, everybody that's just coming in, and you're right on time. All right, so the evening. This is where we dollar unwind.
Wow, I see what you did there.
And it's always one of our favorite parts because here's where you get to network. There'll be drinks here down on the expo hall right where you are, a chance to network, meet folks. Maybe you'll see someone from a prior session. You can share notes. And you can also show off your
badges.
The badges that you earned, the stickers that you earned. Talk about the skills that you obtained throughout the day. Meet some of our presenters. They'll be mingling as well. Team members. It's just a great chance to kind of let loose, unwind, and segue from what's going to be an amazing day for you. So that's going to happen in the evening, right around 5:15. We'll look forward to seeing you there. But that's not the only thing that's happening tonight.
It's not?
No. After the reception, we go after hours. Now, we've done this for the past few years, but tonight is going to be super special. We mentioned how we're going to be inviting some other communities here at our community booth, hanging with Veronica back here in the expo hall. One of those user groups is called AI Tinkerers. It is a huge AI builder community globally, and they have an incredible New York chapter run by John Murray. John's going to be here with his meetup. They're actually holding their September meetup here tonight.
Nice.
Yeah, they're super gracious. They're super fun to collaborate with. And this is a really special event because what's going to happen is developers from that community have been building, and they're going to come and demo what they built. There's going to be prizes.
I love a prize.
There's going to be so much interesting stuff going on in this space. I went to AI Tinkerers up in Boston, where I'm from. I saw some amazing demos. I learned a ton. And sometimes the best thing is to learn from other developers and to see what they're building, get inspired. So we're very excited to welcome AI Tinkerers tonight. So you can come on upstairs at 6. We'll be serving food. So
I love free food. You got to say that again.
Food.
There's free food?
It's going to be great.
Okay.
I can't say what it is, but it's going to be great. And so we will be so happy for you to join us up there with the AI Tinkerers meetup team. And there's going to be a lot of fun to be had. And we'll be voting, and we'll be giving away amazing prizes. And again, another chance for you, if you're local to the area, find out how you can get involved in that amazing meetup.
Did you say what it's called? Because it's got the coolest name.
We're calling it Demopalooza.
Demopalooza.
Because there's going to be a lot of demos.
I love it.
And paloozas.
Yes, and also, let me just say, as someone who likes to go to bed early, I like that the after hours event starts at 6 p.m. Thank you for doing that.
Yes. Well, we want to keep the momentum going, because again, reception 5:15, plenty of time to chat and meet and network and have some beverages here, and then join us upstairs. Again, escalators up 4th floor. If you're going to be with us in the workshops, we're using the same room after hours. It's going to be super cool.
All right. So we're gonna have an amazing day today. I mean, we're gonna go hard all the way till 8:30, which I still love that. I love that. So, but we don't want the fun to stop here, right? We've got a community that we want to keep going. So We've got a MongoDB mug. What's a mug?
MongoDB user group.
MongoDB
We should have kicked that one out to the audience as well.
Oh, okay. I know, but I don't have prizes with me. I feel bad. I'm prizeless here. So a MongoDB user group, it's a place where you can come, you can have technical discussions, you can hang out, build connections, build relationships with others in the community. There's also free food, which I keep saying. I love free food. I love tech conversations. It's a great place to hang out. So don't let the fun stop here. Join our community. Come out to the MongoDB mug. The link is on the screen. And if you have any questions, head on over to the developer community booth, which is just to the side of this keynote stage.
Awesome. And you just reminded me, too, as we were going in acronyms, but where's our create, read, update, delete friends? All right, we'll come back and give you some prizes. That'll be the start of it, but there's so many great things to earn throughout the day.
Yes.
And we're really excited for you to partake in everything that this amazing event has to offer. Again, you are in the right place. Stay seated. You have the best seats in the house for what's going to be an amazing keynote at the top of the hour. And then right after that, the walls will come down. It'll be like Willy Wonka in here. There's so much going on. Everything that we've outlined for you, there's so much to get out of this amazing day.
All right. Let's enjoy the day.
Enjoy the day. Thank you so much for getting here early, getting an amazing seat, checking in. We really appreciate you being here. You can find Lauren and I most of the day upstairs on the 4th floor. We'll be emceeing. We're not just doing this. We have a pretty busy day ahead.
We do, but it's on my schedule on the mobile app.
It's on your
so don't
schedule
worry.
on the mobile app. We really hope this was helpful for you, informative, give you a great glimpse at all the amazing things in store. Our teams have been working super hard to bring you the best .local New York City ever. MongoDB.local is going to be amazing this year, 2025, the year of the agent, according to Lauren.
And the internet.
And so sit tight. The keynote will be coming up. I'm Chuck.
I'm Lauren.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
See you around the event.